In today's short and simple tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can solve professional mode option not showing on Facebook. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to switch to professional mode on Facebook and you cannot see any option that allows you to switch to professional mode, what you have to do is to open Facebook application, click on your profiles icon. Now right next to this edit profile option, you will see these three dots. And as you can see that there is no option available to switch to professional mode. And in order to solve this problem, all you have to do is to click on this unlock profile option. Click on unlock. Once again, click on unlock your profile. Okay, now your profile is unlocked. So once again, click on these three dots right next to edit profile. And you will see that this turn on professional mode option is now visible here. In this way, you can solve professional mode option not showing on Facebook. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.